Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. This is the best crypto channel around the world, and we specialize in talking about crypto. My son is trying to do the same thing that I'm doing because I'm using my phone, and he's happy. Look at his face. Anyway, so today I just came in to make a small video. My video will last for like 2-3 minutes. And we're gonna talk about something that I just missed on, man. I wish I did it. Today is February the 2nd, 2020. So I woke up in the morning. In fact, it was last night. I watched this thing on the top gainers on crypto.com, and Adventure Gold was, was gaining value, and by then was like 25% in value, like had risen to 25% in value. But usually I don't buy that stuff if it's not 15% up. So I said, should I buy or no, should I not buy? No, man, like I decided not to buy. So in the morning I woke up and I checked on it. It had already gone to 34, from 25 to 34% increase. And then I remember yesterday it was like $1.05 when it was 25 up, and when it changed to 34, it went to like $1, maybe $1.20 cents. So I was seated over there. I had a meeting with one of my people that we work with at the school, and we were talking, and I was looking on my phone. I was like, "Oh, this thing is rising." It went all up to $1.38, and the percentage change by then was like 50% change. And I was like, "Should I buy?" And I was like, "Oh no, I'm not gonna buy. Maybe I should not buy." And then all of a sudden, I wait another hour. This thing went all over to $1.78%. $1.78. So had I bought it when it was like $1.11, if I invested say 10,000 or 100,000, I would have made so much money in 1 hour, in less than a day. I would have made so much money. So what have I learned from this mistake that I didn't buy? Next time, when you see something on top of the charts saying that it said they are among the top gainers, you buy. And the best thing to do is to buy more. When you buy more, you make more money. So have some money on the side in your crypto account, and in case the thing you see that those things are going up in value, the top gainers, choose one and buy more of it. You never know. Every day you can always make so much money, man. Well, that's the little thing I was making, note of. So I missed this opportunity. I didn't make any money today, but I missed the opportunity looking at it and it passed by, So guys, watch out. Anyway, I'm gonna stop the video from this moment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment to the video, and man, you keep moving. We keep on making people know about crypto, and motivate other people to buy crypto. That's it. That's pretty much it. Have a good day, have a good night, or have a good morning. Bye bye.